Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 2, problem number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly expenditure of 200 families of Gummadidala village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Expenditure in rupees 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Number of families 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. We need to find two measurements, that is model monthly expenditure and mean monthly expenditure. Model monthly expenditure means we need to find mode. Mean monthly expenditure means we have to find mean. Now we are finding for the mode. What is the formula for mode? Mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H is the formula. Here what is L? L means lower boundary. F1. What is F1? F1 means frequency of the model class. Next F0. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Next we need to find F2. What is F2? F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Next H. H means here size of the class. Now here expenditure in rupees we are taking as a class intervals, and number of families, this one we are taking as a frequency. Now we are finding the mode. So in these frequencies, what is the highest frequency? Maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 40. So that total that column you can underline it. That highest frequency you have to take F1. We need to take F1. Now model class is 1500 to 2000 is the model class. Again we need to find L value. L value means lower boundary. Lower boundary, how we are getting? The model class lower limit, that preceding class upper limit, average we need to take. What is F0? F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Next we need to find F2. What is F2? F2 means frequency of the model class succeeding the model class. Now we need to find H value. H means height of the class or size of the class. So height of the class, how we have to find? The difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits, either upper limits we need to take. So here you can, first two class intervals I am taking. First two class intervals is, that is 1000 to 1500. Next class interval is 1500 to 2000. So here lower limits, first one is 1000, second one is 1500. 1500 minus 1000, that is H value. 1500 minus 1000 is 500 is the H value, size of the class. Now you can write it model class. So model class equal. So what is the model class here? 1500 to 2000. Next you can find lower boundary. Lower boundary equal So here lower boundary, how we have to get that class lower limit, that preceding class upper limit, means 1500 plus 1500 by 2, that average we are taking. So 1500 plus 1500 is 3000. 3000 by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 1500 is 3000. Next, F1. F1 means frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. So frequency of the model class, how much here? F1 is 40. Next, F2. Sorry, F0 you have to take. So F0, what is F0? Frequency of the class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding the model class. So preceding the model class, how much here? 24. Next, F2 you have to take. What is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So how much here? That value is 33. Next, H equal size of the model class is, so how we have to get the difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits either upper limits. 1500 minus 1000 is 500. Now this all values we are substituting in the formula, we are getting that answer. Now L, lower boundary, how much we got it here? 1500 plus F1. What is F1? F1 is 40 minus F0. What is F0? 24 by 2 into F1. F1 means 40 minus F0. F0 means 24 minus F2. F2 value is 33 into H value is 500. That equal 1500 plus 40 minus 24. 40 minus 24. What is the value? That is 16 by 2 into 40 is 80 minus 24 minus 33. Minus 24 minus 33 is minus 57 into 500 as it is. That equal 1500 plus 16 by 80 minus 57. 80 minus 57 value is 23 into 500. That equal 1500 plus 16 into 500. So 16 5 is 80, 00 as it is by 23. Now we need to find 8000 by 23 value. So 8000 as it is by 23. 23 3s are 69, means here 1 1, this 0 as it is we are taking. 23 4s are 92. 92 means 8, here 1, this 0 we are taking here. 23 7s are 161. 161 means here 9. Here 7 minus 6 is 1. You can take the point 0. 23 8s are 184. 184 means here I am writing. This is 6. And that's it. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now already we took the point, means you can take 0. 23 2s are 46. 46 means 4. Here 5 minus 1, 4 is 1, 0. Next, 23 6 are 138. Means this value 8000 by 23 value we got it, approximately we got it 347.2 8 to 6. So here this one I am coming plus 1500 as it is. 1500 plus 347.826. 1500 plus 347.826 is 1847.826. Now here up to 2 decimal places only I am taking, means 1847.83 approximately. So here mod equal 1847.83. We use the formula mod equal L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We use the formula. Now we are finding the mean. Mean in 3 methods, that is direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now here we are following assumed mean method. In assumed mean method, mean equal A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the formula. Here A means assumed value. We are assuming in the class mark. Fi means frequency of the respective class intervals. Di equal, we know the formula, Di equal Xi minus A, and sigma Fi means total frequencies we need to take. Now already I took the table. In the table, expenditure in rupees means it is the class intervals. Number of families means it we are taking as a frequency. Class mark Xi equal L plus U by 2. Di equal Xi minus A, and Fi di value we need to take in this box. Now already these 2 columns are there. We need to find remaining 3 columns we need to find. So class mark, first class mark, how we have to get? Xi equal L plus U by 2. L means here 1000, U means 1500. 1000 plus 1500 by 2. 1000 plus 1500 is 2500 by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, means 1 remain, 2 5 the and 0. Means first class mark we got it here, 1250 we got it. Now we can find the H value. Height of the class you have to find. So height of the class, how we have to find? The difference between any 2 successive class intervals, lower limits, either upper limits we need to take. These 2 class intervals, lower limits I am taking. 1500 minus 1000. 1500 minus 1000 is 500. We got the H value is 500. So this 500 we have to add to first class mark, we are getting next class mark. So 1250 plus 500 is 1750. 1750 plus 500 is 2250. 2250 plus 500 is 2750. 2750 plus 500 is 3250. 3250 plus 500 is 3750. 3750 plus 500 is 4250. 4250 plus 500 is 4750. So here now we got the class marks Xi, we got it here. Now we need to find Di. Di equal Xi minus A. A means in the class mark we are assuming one value. So I am taking A as a first class mark only I am taking, that is 1250. Now you can find Di. Di equal Xi minus A. Here Xi and A both are same only. Means 1250 minus 1250. That value we are getting 0. Next one is Xi is 1750 minus A value is 1250. That equal 1750 minus 1250 value we are getting 500. Next class mark Xi is 2250 minus A is 1250. That equal 2250 minus 1250 value we are getting 1000. Next Xi is 2750 minus A value is 1250, that equal 1500. Next exercise is 3250 minus A value is 1250, that equal 3250 minus 1250 value, we are getting 2000. Next xi value is 3750 minus A value is 1250, that equal 3750 minus 1250 value, we are getting 2500. Next class mark, that is 4250, xi is 4250 minus A value is 1250, that equal 4250 minus 1250 value, we are getting 3000. Last class mark is 4750. 4750 minus A value is 1250, that equal 4750 minus 1250 value, we are getting 3500. Now we got the DI values, we got it now. Now we need to take Fi and Di. Fi means frequencies and Di means deviations. Now we got now that one. Now we have to take 24 into 0. 40 into 500. 40 into 500 is 20,000. 33 into 1000 is 33,000. Now frequency is 28. Di is 1500. 28 into 1500 is 42,000. Next, Fi is 30. Di is 2000. 30 into 2000 is 60,000. Next, Fi is 22 and Di is 2500. 22 into 2500 is 55,000. Next, 16 into 3000. 16 into 3000 is 48,000. Last frequency is 7. Di is 3500. 7 into 3500 is 24,500. Now we need to take sigma Fi Di. Sigma Fi Di means this all we need to add. 0 plus 20,000 plus 33,000 plus 42,000 plus 60,000 plus 55,000 plus 48,000 plus 24,500. This total we are adding means we are getting 2,82,500 we are getting. 2,82,500. Now here we need to take sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means all frequencies we need to add. 24 plus 40 plus 33 plus 28 plus 30 plus 22 plus 16 plus 7. That value we are getting 200. Now here you can take the sigma Fi Di equal 2,82,500. Sigma Fi equal 200 and A value, assumed value is 1250. So mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi is the formula. That one we know. So A value 1250 plus sigma Fi Di value is 2,82,500 by sigma Fi value here A value is 1250 plus sigma Fi Di value is 2,82,500 by sigma Fi value is 200. 00 get cancel. 2 1 2, 2 1 2 4 2 1 2 2 2 5 means 1250 plus 1412.5. So 1250 plus 1412.5 is 2662.5. So here Mean monthly income is 2,662.5. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.